Everyone dreams of freedom. The kind of freedom that lets you wake up without an alarm, work from anywhere in the world, and live life on your own terms. It's a beautiful picture, isn't it? A laptop on a beach, a coffee in a bustling foreign city, the power to decide your own day. But for most people, it remains just that, a dream. They see the life they want, but they're stuck on the other side of the glass, never quite able to break out. We're caught in a modern trap, a cycle that's deceptively comfortable. You wake up, you commute, you work, you come home exhausted, and you scroll through other people living their lives online. Then you sleep, and the next day, you do it all over again. Work, sleep, repeat. It's a rhythm dictated by bills, rent, and deadlines. A constant pressure that leaves little room for anything else. We're told this is normal, that this is just how life is. But deep down, you know there has to be more. You feel that disconnect between the life you are living and the one you are truly meant for. The routine grinds you down, day by day, making the dream of escape feel more and more distant. So you decide to make a change. You sit down, full of motivation, open your laptop, and then nothing. You're faced with a blank screen, a symbol of infinite possibilities that somehow feels incredibly limiting. The inner conflict begins. You're bombarded with choices, a whirlwind of online gurus and get-rich-quick schemes. Start a business? But which one? Make content? About what? Learn to code? It sounds so difficult. Maybe dropshipping, or trading, or coaching. Each option seems promising, but they all come with a steep learning curve and no guarantee of success. The sheer volume of information is overwhelming, and you're left paralyzed, not knowing where to even begin. This confusion is the first major hurdle, the one that stops so many people in their tracks. Everyone tells you to just start. It sounds so simple, so motivational. Just take the first step. But it's terrible advice, because nobody tells you what actually works. They don't tell you about the dead ends, the wasted money, the months of effort that lead nowhere. You're left trying to navigate a giant, invisible maze with everyone shouting encouragement from the outside, but no one offering a map. You try one thing, hit a wall. You try another, and get lost. It feels like you're climbing a treacherous mountain in the dark, with no guide and no clear path to the summit. You start to wonder if the people who made it just got lucky, or if they have some secret they aren't sharing. The frustration builds, and your initial motivation begins to fade, and then the real enemy reveals itself: fear. It's not just the fear of wasting time or money, it's the deep, hidden fear of failure. The fear of what others will think. The fear of pouring your heart and soul into something, only to have it fall flat. This fear paralyzes most people before they ever truly begin. You look out your window and you see others living freely. You see them traveling, creating, thriving. You feel a mix of inspiration and envy, but the fear whispers in your ear, telling you you're not good enough, that you don't have what it takes, that it's safer to just stay where you are. It's a powerful, invisible force holding you back. Eventually, something has to give. You reach a breaking point. It's not usually one big dramatic event, but a series of small, soul-crushing moments. A glance at your bank account, seeing it's almost empty again, just before payday. Another rent notification popping up on your phone. A constant reminder of the hole in your pocket. Overdue bills piling up on the counter. The clock on the wall spinning faster and faster, each tick a reminder of a day you can't get back. You look in the mirror and you don't recognize the tired person staring back. It is in that moment of quiet desperation that you realize a profound truth. Nothing will change unless you change. The system won't save you. Your boss won't save you. Waiting for the right time is a trap. The only person who can break the cycle is you. But what if the path was simpler than you think? What if you didn't have to navigate the maze alone? What if the first step wasn't a blind leap of faith, but a calculated move in the right direction? Stay tuned for part 2, where we reveal the solution. Feeling stuck? Trapped in a cycle you can't seem to break? There is a simple path out, a way to reclaim your time and your life. And it all starts with one thing. Digital products have changed everything. Forget the old rules. You don't need a physical office. You don't need a demanding boss. All you really need is a laptop and the right system to follow. Think about it. Digital products offer infinite scalability. There's no shipping to manage, no inventory to store. And believe it or not, no prior experience is needed to get started. It's a completely new way of working, built for the modern world. And now, we have an incredible new advantage. Artificial intelligence, AI, now does most of the heavy lifting. It can handle the writing, the designing, the organizing, and even the editing. Tasks that used to take weeks of painstaking effort can now be completed in a matter of minutes. Imagine turning a simple idea into a fully written and designed ebook, ready to sell in less time than it takes to watch a movie. That's the power you have at your fingertips right now. So what's the actual path? It's simpler than you think. First, pick a simple, straightforward niche you're interested in. Next, use AI tools to help you create the content for your ebook. After that, design a clean, professional-looking cover, and yes, AI can help with that too. Then, you just export the final file as a PDF. Upload it to a platform like Gumroad, which handles all the sales for you. And finally, you promote it using short-form content on social media. Each step builds on the last, creating a clear and direct route to your first sale. And this is where everything changes. This is the moment your entire perspective shifts. Because once you launch your first digital product, you are no longer trading your precious time for money. You've built an asset that works for you around the clock, freeing you from the daily grind and opening up a world of possibilities. It's the first step towards a life of freedom, flexibility, and genuine control. To make this simple, I created a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to do it, walking you through everything from the initial idea all the way to generating your first income. It's designed to give you the clarity and confidence you need to take action. It's all laid out for you in the AI digital product ebook. Stay tuned for the next part where we explore what this new life really looks like. This is what happens when you decide to take control. You wake up where you want. You work when you want. You earn, even when you're offline. It's a reality that feels a world away from the 9-to-5 grind, isn't it? But what if I told you it's closer than you think? This isn't about some complicated scheme. It's about a fundamental shift in how you see your work and your life. Imagine, you're no longer trading your precious time for money. Instead, you create something once, a digital product, an ebook powered by incredible AI tools. And it works for you, around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. While you're sleeping, while you're traveling, while you're living your life, it's out there, generating income. This means no boss looking over your shoulder, no blaring alarm clock forcing you out of bed, and absolutely no limitations on where you can be or what you can do. Your office can be a beachfront cafe in Bali one week and a cozy apartment overlooking the Swiss Alps the next. Your schedule is dictated by your own energy and inspiration, not by a corporate calendar. This is the true power of digital income. It's the feeling of ultimate freedom, time freedom, to spend your days exactly as you choose. Creative freedom, to build projects you're passionate about, and financial freedom to stop worrying about bills and start building a life that truly excites you. A life designed entirely by you, for you. Think about what a typical day could look like. You start your morning slow with a great cup of coffee at a local spot, soaking in the culture of a new city. You might spend a few focused hours on your laptop, managing your digital products or brainstorming your next idea. And then, the rest of the day is yours. You could go exploring ancient ruins, hike up a mountain trail, meet fascinating new people from all over the world, or just relax on a beach and watch the sunset. This life isn't a fantasy reserved for a lucky few. It's a system. A simple, repeatable path that opens up once you understand how to create and market digital products effectively. The honest truth? Most people will watch this, feel a spark of inspiration, and then do nothing. They'll let fear or self-doubt hold them back. But the ones who succeed, the ones who actually build this life for themselves, they all have one thing in common. They take that first step even when they don't feel completely ready. They understand that action is the antidote to fear. They unlock everything simply by starting. And that first step is knowledge. It's learning the blueprint, the exact process of how to create your own digital product. It's about understanding how to use amazing AI tools to make the process faster and easier than ever before. If you've ever dreamed of more freedom, if you've ever wanted to live life completely on your own terms, this is your moment. This is your sign to begin. Your new life is waiting for you to build it. It all starts now. Click the link in the description to find out how.
Lamborghini saying pretty bitches prettier, yes, she's a model. I got money in my pocket, money coming by the Trello. Gave you everything you wanted. Then you started acting childish, I get money in a